that harmonizing energy of life. Let's come together for our moments of mindfulness this morning and meditation, knowing that when we arrive fully at this moment, we calm our nervous system, we open our hearts, we open the floodgate to all that is love, to that divine faculty of wisdom, life, substance that flows in us and through us and as us. So right here, right now, we give ourselves fully into love, into the mindfulness of this moment, that this intention right here and right now activates and initiates a system within of strength, inner peace, inner wisdom, and a calling forth of all that is needed in each moment. So we release trying to grasp from the outer, trying to grapple with the inner. And we bring our attention and our intention back to land right in the body, at the heart center. Diving deeply within. Moving closer and closer and closer to the heart, to the innermost being. Tapping the stillness. Presencing the silence. By the power of this practice, may all beings have freedom from suffering and the causes of suffering. May all beings know God as love and themselves as emanations of this love. May all beings know we are born blessed and here to be a blessing. Namaste.